Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send an invoice with Stripe. If you run a business or work as a freelancer, sending invoices is an essential part of getting paid for your work. Stripe provides a built-in invoicing feature that allows you to create professional invoices, send them to clients, and accept payments online. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Stripe. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools for managing payments, customers, subscriptions, and financial reports. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the Customer section. Inside this area, you'll find the invoicing tools that allow you to create and manage invoices for your customers. First thing you'll need to do is select or add a customer. If the customer already exists in your Stripe account, you can simply select them from the customer list. If not, you can create a new customer by entering their name and email address. To create a new invoice, click the Create Invoice button on the top right corner. After selecting the customer, you can start adding items to the invoice. These items represent the products or services you're billing for. For each item, you can specify details such as the description, quantity, and price. Stripe will automatically calculate the total amount based on the items you add. You can also include additional elements such as currency, taxes, discounts, or custom notes, depending on your business needs. You can also add additional options such as new templates, a memo, a footer, as well as a tax ID. Before sending the invoice, you can preview the preview to see how it will appear to your customer. This preview shows the invoice layout, the payment amount, and the payment options available. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invoice. Stripe will send the invoice directly to your customer's email address, along with a secure payment link. The customer can then open the invoice and complete the payment online using the available payment methods. One of the advantages of using Stripe is that it automatically tracks invoice statuses. Inside your dashboard, you can see whether an invoice has been sent, viewed, or paid. You can also send reminders for unpaid invoices or allow customers to download a copy of the invoice for their records. This makes Stripe invoicing a convenient tool for businesses that want to manage billing and payments from a single platform. And that's how to invoice with Stripe. By creating a customer, adding invoice items, and sending the invoice through your Stripe dashboard, you can quickly bill your clients and accept payments online. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.